Welcome to my channel and Merry Christmas. Well, obviously when you see this it won't be Christmas anymore, but I hope that got you in the spirit a little bit. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Americahg Hernandez. I don't know if I should keep saying my name, but welcome regardless. Please go ahead and subscribe if you end up liking this video, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down to see what I should be posting on here. Anyways, today's video is going to be about me showing you guys what I ordered for Black Friday, which I finally have all of it. It took a while, things were delayed and whatnot. And I'm gonna show you guys my Christmas presents because it is Christmas Day today, so why not? And of course I want to put out a disclaimer that this video is not to show off in any way or form, but I do want to share what I got because I'm very grateful and happy that I actually got gifted a lot of things. I really didn't expect it, but yeah, it was a good time today and yesterday with friends and family. So without further ado, let's go on and get started. I'm gonna start with my Black Friday items. I'm gonna get all the packages and then I'll show you guys. The floor is a mess. I have everything everywhere here and it's late. It's like 9 p.m. so I'm gonna have a lot to clean up. So I wanted to start with the Black Friday items. I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you what I ordered and also what I purchased in person, and then I'll go on to the Christmas gifts. Oh, let me close the door. I'm gonna start with what I ordered. So I ordered from EHP Labs, from Gymshark, Nike, etc. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a little try on for you guys of the outfits, so that way it's not just like me showing you in hand, but I will put them up for now in case I don't get around to filming that part. Anyways, here's the first box. Don't want to show my address, so I got the Oxy Shred in mango flavor from EHP Labs. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's supposed to be a thermogenic fat burner. I see some of my favorite YouTubers like Jasmine and I forgot her friend's name, but they take this and they say that it helps them kind of like curb hunger and burn more fat and like kind of heats your body up faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this in the mornings. Moving forward, I literally been waiting to show you guys this and I haven't opened the boxes just for this video. I'll show my address. Okay, anyways, my other video got cut off, so hopefully it doesn't happen again because that's freaking annoying. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these. Can you not be so loud? God, then I'm gonna have... Let me go tell him. Babe, can you keep it a little bit down? Thank you. Okay, back to the video. I'm just gonna put it here. I got some t-shirts, which are supposed to be very cute. I got them on sale, Avi, or else I wouldn't have just got them. I believe each of these were $10. I got them all in size L from Fashion Nova. This one says over it. And I wish I could do that transition where like I just go and then it's like on me and you guys can see me model it, but I'll probably have to go and do that separate and try to make it work. But yeah, that's one. And I have to go faster because I don't want to bore you guys, and I will try these on so it looks more nice. And I probably will have to cut some of this so you guys just see, and I'll do voiceovers or something. Anyways, I got another one, just a t-shirt. that shows Modelo. It's a crop top. I got it in XL because I like it more baggy when it's a crop top. I don't want to have to like you know, show too much belly yet. Waiting to get snatched. Anyways, I have one more that's over it and it's the same. It's an L, but oh, over it tunic top. I don't know if that means it's supposed to be longer, but I'll try it on for you guys anyways. And then, oh, this one was really cute, so I will open it. This one is supposed to be ripped up at the bottom, and it's more like of a punk scene look, and I was really digging it because it has all of the signs and whatnot, so I'm excited. And then I got this one that says future is female. I don't know if I should open them all. I feel like it's kind of like annoying to show you like that, but I'll try them on so won't be so annoying. Sure, this one I think I should pull it out. It's like a little cute ass top like this, and it says thou shall not try me, mood, because don't try me, yo. But yeah, I'll put these all together with some outfits and show you guys before I upload this video. Oh, and honestly, like, I hadn't even bought clothes in a while, but I guess I've been trying to lose some weight, and that progress really made me want to get more clothes so I can just feel more confident. So, well, I still got a lot of working out to do, but you know. And this is package number 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and use some scissors to cut it. I'm really excited for these because these are actually like little sweatsuits that I ordered. I don't know if it'll fit me. I had to get them in an XL because I'm usually like an L in pants, but I got them in XL because the crop tops sometimes don't fit me well if they're in L. So I got XL. Pray for me. This is like really fucking cute. Look at that. And then it has the matching pant, and that goes together, size L. I don't remember the prices. I'll probably have to look up the receipt and put it on the screen as I try these on. And I'm praying like I don't just let this video go and I actually post it in the next few days, because that's a waste of time for me to just make this video and then not post it. I've done it a lot. Okay, so then I got the same outfit, but I got it in gray. Anyways, so that's the thing. And then this is the bottoms. So cute. And size XL again. So those are 2 cute ass workout outfits. And just like lounging too. It doesn't have to be just workouts. So yeah. And I was in love with this sweater. Like, look at this. It says finesse. Like, it is so cute. Like, so different, so cute. Could be a cute ass fit. Love it. Love it. I got some earrings, some like big hoops with diamonds around them. They're just like this. And the last piece of the Fashion Nova, it's their fitness line. It's Nova Sport, and it's these leggings. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm like a medium sometimes in leggings. Large, medium fit me. So I got the medium because they said that people said that these stretch a lot. So we're gonna see, and I want my buns to look right in them. So, you know, just kind of size down a little bit to keep it tight. But yeah, those are the last ones from Fashion Nova. Everything in that second batch was more so fitness related because like I said, I got it more to be fit. And these are all the stuff that I was ordering from Black Friday stuff. We're moving on to Gymshark. Okay, I have all the items ready. All right, let's go over them. Item 1 is these cute ass shorts in size L, and yeah, they're training shorts. And then the next one, this one is a little Gymshark crop top sweater. I got it in all white, the little black logo. It's so cute. And like I said, I will be putting the prices probably on the bottom of the screen so you guys can see how much I paid for them, or maybe I shouldn't do that. I don't know, but I don't know if that's like weird because, you know, they're not on sale anymore probably, or if you guys want to know anyways how much I spent, which, you know, don't judge, because I didn't just like, I don't do this all the time. This is just once like a year, every 2 years or something. Anyways, but yeah, I just decided to splurge on myself for the weight loss and to motivate me to lose more weight. And I was really on the white hype, so I got the white shirt. That also is super cute. This one is size XL. I get all my crop tops in XL just so they're like a little bit baggier, but we'll see if I like it like that because I don't want it to be too loose. And continuing on the white hype, I got this jersey looking one in XL as well. I don't know, it looks a little big, but I kind of like that, so we'll see. It's like a little cropped jersey, which is really cute. Okay, and then I got the same one but in red with white. I think it's super cute. Some shorts and some long socks and matching sneakers. It'll be like a really cute outfit for working out. Okay, and last but not least, I got some of their joggers. I got this in size M, and they actually look like they're going to fit me. It just plain and simple joggers, kind of like cinched in at the bottom. I just wanted them. I like the butt part, like it kind of has like a little line in the middle, so it's gonna make your butt look nice. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so that was it for Gymshark. Okay, now moving on to stuff that I bought in store. I went to the Nike store and I went a little crazy there. So yeah, so I got just like a plain Nike shirt in size L, and then I got some black leggings, Nike, really cute. This is just a regular fit, regular length cotton leggings, not like the spandexy ones that I just showed you. And it has like a Nike logo at the bottom. I'm not a fan of these logos, but like on the bottom of the stuff, but it was a good price and I like the full cotton feel. This one's my fiance's, but I'll show it to you guys. It's really cute. I got some shorts. I love these kinds of shorts for swimming, the sauna, just to work out. When I do glutes and stuff, I like wearing shorts. And this is probably my favorite piece. I got like a matching sports bra and Nike Pro shorts. So it's like a really cute set together. I got another pair of those shorts, but just like black with the white Nike sign, and for the same reasons, and it has like a back pocket back here, super cute. Lastly, from Nike, I got these socks, just like a pair of women's socks so I can wear with some of my shorts and whatnot. Okay, so that was it for the Black Friday items. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my Christmas presents. I'm not gonna lie, I bought myself some stuff for Christmas, but I think I showed you guys already a lot of things, so I'm just gonna show you what other people gave me. My mother, she's the cutest. She got me this coat off of Amazon, which I will try on for you guys as well. And I think I'm gonna wear this to New York when I go to New York. Not sure when yet, but I will. And my best friend, well, one of my best friends, she gave me a bunch of cute stuff. Like she gave me a Versace perfume. She's that beats. And then she gave me a whole set from Bed Bath and Body Works. I was gonna say Bed Bath and Beyond, I don't know why. So body wash, cream, and then the spray with like glitter, so she already knows what's up. She's trying to keep me popping, smelling good, feeling good, you know. And then she got me this super cute Starbucks cup. She's the best. I love her so much, and if you're watching this, I love you. But yeah, I feel like my gift to her was kind of weak, but it's okay. I'll work on it. I have all year. My fiance's family, they're super sweet. They gave me one of my favorite brands is Viva La Juicy, or I mean Juicy, whatever. And then this one is Peace, Love, and Juicy Couture, which is one of, I mean, I haven't tried this scent, but I love the brand, so I know I'm gonna love how it smells. The next gifts I got are from my job. The big boss gave me $25, which is like the boss for everyone in the region. And then my boss, he gave me a $25 gift card for Starbucks because he knows I love Starbucks. And then my boss knows that I love workout stuff, and we did a Secret Santa, and he knows that the other boss, the bigger boss, got me for the name drawing. So he told him that I like fitness things, and he got me this beautiful purple yoga mat, which I'm very grateful for. And he got me a lot of like fitness bands and like workout items, which I'm not even too sure what everything is in here, but I'm excited to check it out. And it's super cute. There's a pink one, like a pink band. So I'll be trying those out in the gym and using that. So that's my work stuff. And last but not least, my wonderful fiance, I almost said husband, he gave me an amazing gift, which, funny thing is, we only do $20 limits, and I kept telling him how I hate doing the $20 limit, but I was like, whatever, that's our thing, so I'm gonna just do it. So I got him like a $25-ish gift, which I already went over limit, and I was over here feeling bad, like, ooh babe, I'm sorry if I went over limit and whatnot. And this boy really blew it out the park. Like, when I tell you, I'm gonna have to hold the camera so you guys can actually see, because my phone is actually propping it up. I mean, my gift is actually propping this up. He gave me the iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold 512 GB with a case and a screen. Like, I don't know. I really don't know what I did to deserve this, but I am very, very grateful, and I love him so much. We even filmed it. I'm not gonna show it here because it's a little embarrassing. I cried, and I just felt so blessed, because not because of the item itself, but because, you know, he already takes care of me so well, and he does so much for me, and I just feel blessed for all my family, my friends, and for him. So yeah, that concludes my video, and I want to say thank you to everyone who gifted me something. And even if you didn't, like, I don't care. I love you, and I hope we just get to spend time together and just have a good time, because ultimately that's what it's really all about. But yeah, for this video, that's all that I received, that's all that I purchased. I hope you guys liked my little haul. Like I said, I'll be having to do a lot of editing and put in the footage of me trying on the outfits, but that'll be there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. Yeah, and I love you guys. I hope you keep watching. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more content. Bye!